This is Rebecca, the Steampunk Planner, and I have quite a few new items that I want to show you, but this one is my focus for today. I received this. This was actually a Christmas sale that the shop owner had. The shop is Art Studio Lea, and you can also go to her website, which is artstudiolea.com. And Leanne sent me this back in December, and it is taken till now to get here. Lea, who is Art Studio Lea, is in Germany. I also want to put a throw out there. Thank you, Leanne, for being very patient with me. I was so excited to get this that I did not count the weeks. She has on her website when to expect products that you have ordered. And I just blew over that. Being a business owner, I should have known better to go check all of that out, but I didn't until after I sent her my first email. And my first email went to her of when should I expect it at the 5-week mark. And it takes about 7 weeks for a product to get from Germany to its destination in the United States. This took longer because we wound up with Winter Storm Blair and Winter Storm Cora. So our mail did not begin again until the middle of last week. Yeah. So I had a lot of mail coming in from Sterling Ink, from Coffee Monster, and I was so excited. I could not wait to get this, and I was getting really concerned that it got lost, but it didn't. So thank you, Leanne, for your patience with me. Here is opening her products, and I'm going to quickly flip this and get it out. Ah, darn. Well, it was almost. All right, so we'll go ahead, everything that flew out of here, we'll go ahead and set to the side. Now, in December, I did put out a help me on YouTube, and that was, I love Sterling Ink, but I really would like to start bringing in other planner sticker companies. Now, I purchase all of my stickers. I purchase all of my planners. I have not been approached by anyone about any free product. So, just to throw that out there. So I went looking on Etsy and found way too much sticker sets that had pictures of other women that didn't look anything like me in them. And that for me was a big, huge why. So I also put that complaint in my YouTube video, but I wound up getting, because it was the end of the year, Shop notified me that I was going to use my cash for my purchases, the cash back. I was going to lose that in the new year. So I went looking, and that's how I came across Art Studio Lea. And she had a sale, so none of my credit went towards this. This was completely, she had a 20% off sale, and I went nuts, truthfully. So let's go through this. Happy Mail, which I think that's great. And I will probably save this sticker if I can. And put that down along with the sticker on the tissue in my planner for receiving this. So I'm going to set that to the side so I don't lose it or stick it to anything. And this is a cute little bag. I love her packaging. That is so cool. Okay, I know, I get caught up on the little things. But there is the thank you sticker. And I love the colors. That is great. My husband is into hot cocoa with marshmallows, and if you've followed me long enough, you know I'm a coffee person and reading. We both love to read, so this is great. And let me make sure, I noticed while I was showing that one that I was way too close. Let me make sure this is in shot. And then I received a small washi sample. Love that. Oh, I got 3 of them. I may have to go back and get the roses. I really, really like that. I hope you guys are seeing these great colors. So here is her card, Art Studio Lea, which this will go into my book of business cards. Thank you. Thank you. Your support for my small business means so much to me. Enjoy your new stationery and have fun creating. So she has a Shopify and an Instagram, as well as being on Shop and her own website. So thank you, Leah. And here is the freebie. She has given me a lot of free product. So there's the freebie. Yes, I know I said something about that, but I probably won't ever use that. But these, yes, I will. So quite a few things I stated before was I did in my memory keeping planner, I put in birthdays and anniversaries on the year at a glance and did not like it. So I purchased 2 sets from her. Let's get into them so you can see, and I can choose which ones I'm going to use. I can already tell you I love this one because of the books. Oh, look at February. Wow. Make sure you saw January. Sorry. I get too excited and go out of screen. March. April. I can already tell you that these are going to be used in my memory planner one. There's May. Not sure about that one. Ooh, look at July. August. I like that one. September, October, that is cool, and we're missing one, November, and then December. Excellent, so let's get to the other one. The other one I believe is more floral. And I love these. These are all hand painted. So here's the floral. So January, let's get these shifted a little. There we go. On screen, January. Oops, I missed a February somewhere in there. There it is. Oh, that's pretty. March. Oh, I'm not going to be able to decide. April. May. Wow, I'm really loving these colors and these flowers. July, August. And I don't mind that. That's a subtle pink. That is gorgeous. You know me and pink. September. Look at October. I'm definitely going to use that on my... October's my birth month, so you know I'm using that one. Oh, wow, look at this November. And December. Oh, wow, this is going to be really, really difficult to do. And then here I did purchase some little Polaroids. Not quite sure where I'll use them, but I thought those were great ideas. And they're all fall. So I'll be using them this year. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Now, I did not notice if Leah does subscriptions. I will need to look into that. And it looks like these are there. That's right, I did get 2 sets. But I definitely need to look into the fact of if she does subscriptions. So I also purchased a large and a medium of coffee splotches. And we've got writing and everything on this one. So on these 2. And then I normally don't go for the grids, but I liked the coloring on this, so I'm happy I got that. And then here's some more flowers and writing and postage stuff. So it's like torn paper with writing on it, so I love that. I love the neutrality of the colors because I can use these with one of hers or even with a sterling ink or a coffee monster. Calligraphy writing. And then small version. Another of the flowers, different type. This one actually has encouragement sayings on it. And then this one is just the stamps. They're little tiny stamps for each image, which I have some in Coffee Monster, and I bought some off of Amazon. Something I have been finding lately is the items that I have bought from Amazon, the sticky on the washi tape does not last very long at all. I have been going through and tossing out a lot of my Amazon purchases from the beginning. So, I mean, I know you can probably say, well, you've been doing this for a while, but the rest of my washies from everybody else is working. I must have thrown the, there it is. I'm like, where did I put the roses? There we go. So again, Leanne, I appreciate you and I love your product. I'm looking forward to using them in my book soon.